no tack. PTO continuously runs. Here's the PTO handle. A little bit of copper left there. Nice restored tractor here. Clutch pedal is up too high. I don't know what kind of rig that is. Oil leaking out of this injection pump. You can see it on the back side today. Coming around here. Best part's over here. These are leaking oil from the front here. I don't know if you can see that too. That's a mess. It's leaking up the top, leaking over the manifold. And that still putting a nut on it, is welded this here. I don't, never seen a restored tractor look like that before. But I don't know. Oil leaking all over the place there. In the underneath side, leaking all kinds of oil out of the front of this transmission here. Kind of doubt if it's had any clutch work done to it besides the pedal being messed with. This classic pile of junk, not a restored tractor. You can't call this restored. Anyhow, dear, this is what it looks like when I got it the second day. Very disappointing.